Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I'm sharing a simple treat pouch. Super simple and quick, and it's really fun, and I love the paper. And this is why I wanted to cut a little hole here so you can see the other side, because this paper is so pretty. But I'm going to use the same. This is the Share What You Love Designer Series paper. It is available right now. This is one of the pre-release products, so you can get it right now. And I've done a couple other projects with this paper too. And this time I'm switching it up a bit, and I'm going to use this paper, and this is the other side of that. So we'll see how that one looks, because I like this on this side too. And I just stuck some little Ghirardelli, the mini ones, in here, but it would fit those little mini candy bars, or like a packet of M&Ms. I just didn't have any around, so but this has 3 of those little mini Ghirardellis in it, so it's pretty good size. So this is what I'm sharing. Super quick and easy. You do need to use the Big Shot, but it goes really quick. Alright, let's get going on it. So the piece that I'm using here is 9x4, and this is really nice thick Designer Series paper. So we are going to score it. I hope. I put my scoring tool on the floor, which I never usually do. So we're going to score this, and we're scoring this at 1. Make sure I got that straight. That's why I like to do it on that side. We're going to do it at 1 and 5. And that's it. That is totally it. Super easy. So we're folding this and this piece right here. Now I'm going to bring the Big Shot up here. And you do need to have some of the oval. We have the layering ovals, and on the other one I used a scallop. I'm going to use the straight one this time, so I could show you that you could use anything that you have. So we are going to cut this side. So you're going to line it up here evenly on both sides. About halfway is how I did it last time. I think I'm going to use a little piece of washi. I don't know if I'll need it or not for this one. I did on the other one, but let me try it without. I just don't want it to move. And then we're going to run that through. So if you don't feel confident enough, use a piece of washi or something to hold it on. Okay, so that's it. Let's move these out of the way. My mat is moving all over the place today. So you're going to have it, it's going to look like that. And that's how it's going to fold. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little adhesive right here, and I'm just going to use some snail. That's just to hold this little piece down. And then I'm going to use tear and tape. And I'm going to put the tear and tape along the edge here. And then we're going to run it down the bottom. Keep it as close to the bottom as you can, because you want that room for your candy to fit in. And then we're just going to take the backing off here. And then on this piece, this is a long piece, so hopefully it's going to come off easy. Sometimes it likes to give me a hard time. And then you're just going to fold it over. Make sure your edges are all lined up. And look it, there you have it. Super quick and easy. I love this one. And make sure if you're using a pattern, the pattern's going in the right direction. Forgot to tell you that earlier. But super quick and easy. So I'm going to use Always Thinking of You, and I'm using it from the Beautiful Day stamp set. And I'm going to stamp it. Hopefully I'm going to stamp it on this 1/2 inch by 4 inch piece with some Tuxedo Black Memento ink. I'm hoping I'm going to get it on there because earlier I used a little piece that was a little bit bigger, but and then I cut it down. So I'm going to see if I could stamp this right on here. If I can't, I did cut another piece. Oh, look at that. I did it just fine. I surprise myself sometimes. And then I need my little scissors. I had them out here. I'm just going to banner the end a little bit. Okay, and we're going to put some snail on here. And add it to the front. And then I'm using some of this 1/8 inch sheer ribbon. It's the Whisper White. I'm just going to tie a little bow. And it's just for behind the little flower we're going to make. So I'm just going to use a glue dot for that. I'm going to put that right there. And if you just want to put a ribbon there, you could do that too. I'm going to use my little Blossom Builder punch, and I'm going to punch a piece. I'm just punching that little flower right there, and then another one from the powder pink. That's the berry burst. And I'm going to do one from the powder pink. Again, I'm going to glue these together with a glue dot. I'm going to kind of offset them. Add a glue dot to the back. Set that on the ribbon there. And then I'm going to use one of our, you can use a rhinestone. You can use, let's use the rhinestone this time, just to show you. I use the White Perfect Accents, which are discontinued, but let's use a rhinestone since these are not discontinued. And that looks just as pretty. And you could probably see it better than the white pearl, but that's it. Super quick and easy, and look how cute. Let's put one in here. But really cute and quick and easy. And these would make really cute birthday or party favors, or even for a woman's get-together, or a little thank you for someone. Really, really cute. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop from my blog. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the little bell to get notifications every time I upload a new video. So I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. Have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.